So, good morning, students. Yesterday, we have seen the various types of pressure. So, we have seen the unit of pressure. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, and in pressure is a scalar quantity, and we have seen various pressures. That means pressure on solids, pressure on liquid, pressure on gases, and atmospheric pressure also. Now today we are going to see the buoyant force. So let's see here in the picture. One experiment is shown. So to do this experiment we need two bottles, okay, and a tub of water or a pot filled with water. So we can use a hollow ball also, plastic ball also. So take a plastic bottle and fix its lid tightly and keep that bottle on the water surface. What will happen? That bottle, we can observe easily that the bottle is floating on that water surface. Then take second bottle and fill it with the water, and again keep that bottle inside that or in that water. What will happen? That bottle will sink in the water, है ना. तो पहला वाला जो खाली बॉटल था, it will be float and the fulfilled bottle will be sink. So how it will happen? So let's see what happened here. The balanced and unbalanced buoyant forces are acting on these bottles. So the empty plastic bottle floats on the surface of water and the bottle full of water floats inside the water, but does not go to the bottom. वो सिंक होगा लेकिन पूरा bottom तक नहीं जाता है. If we observe carefully, what will happen here? Such a bottle with water neither floats on the surface and nor sink on the in the bottom of that water tub. So this means the force due to gravity acting downwards, which is called as Fg. Here Fg means force of gravity. A force of gravity, it attracts that bottle towards gravity, and the another force, that means the opposing force in the upward direction Fb on the bottle filled with water, और दूसरा force उसी bottle पे जो filled है water से उसी पे act कर रहा है. That force is Fb. Fb means buoyant force. That means buoyant force do not allow that bottle to sink, and the force of gravity do not allow that bottle to float. तो दोनों फोर्स वहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स these forces we are calling here as balanced and unbalanced forces. buoyant force उसको डूबने नहीं दे रहा है और gravitational force उसको ऊपर तैरने नहीं दे रहा है ना. So this force must have originated from the water surrounding the bottle, and the upward force acting on the object in water or other fluid or gas called buoyant force. That means Fb.